everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing English lesson number 12, The Valiant Queen, Fairbook notes of lesson number 12. So, I hope you all are ready with your Fairbook. In a previous video, we have completed hard words. So, today we are going to do meanings and give one word. But before starting meanings and give one word, first we will revise all the hard words so that students who missed the previous video or students who missed any hard word, they can note it down. Okay, so let's begin our today's session with a beautiful quote. That is, be kind to everything that lives. Be kind to everything that lives. Now, let's see hard words. Number 1, VALIANT. 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 Number 2, INDIA. 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 Number 3, SACRIFICED. 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 Number 4, RANI. Rani. LAKSHMIBAI. Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai. Number 5, JHANSI. 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 Number 6, FREEDOM. 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 Number 7, FIGHTERS. 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 Now, I am giving you some time to check these words in your Fairbook. So, I hope you all have completed this. Now, number 8, TOUGH. 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 Number 9, MAJESTIC. 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 Number 9, ARTILLERY. Artillery. Number 11, GHULAM. Gulam. GHOUS. Goes. KHAN. Khan. Gulam Ghost Khan. Then number 12, SIEGE. 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 Number 13, BOMBARDED. 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 Then Now, I am giving you some time to check these words in your fair book. So, I hope you have completed this. Now, number 14. Cannons. 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 Number 15. Battered. 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 Number 16. Soldiers. 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 Number 17. Fiercely. 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 Number 18. Casualties. 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 Number 19. Messenger. 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 Number 20. Panting. 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 So, my dear students, now I am giving you some time to check these words in your fair book. So, I hope you have completed this. 21. Bonfire. 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 22. Betwa. 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 23. Illuminated. 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 24. Tatya. Tope. Tatya. Tope. 25. Ammunition. Ammunition. 26. Troops. Troops. So, now I am giving you some time to check these words in your fair book. Now, next word, 27. Fall. Back. Fall back. 28. Hold. Out. Hold out. 29. Capture. Capture. 30. Fact. Fact. 31. Sealed. Sealed. 32. Daring. Daring. Now, check these words in your book. So, let's see next word, that is number 33. tugged, tugged. 34, ACCOMPANIED, accompanied, accompanied. 35, ATTENDANTS, attendants, attendants. 36, KALPI, Kalpi, Kalpi. 37, CONFUSION, confusion, confusion. 38, ADMINISTRATOR, administrator, administrator. Now, number 39, NECESSARY, necessary, necessary. Number 40, KONCH, conch, conch. 41, SCINDIA, Scindia, Scindia. 42, BANDA, Banda, Banda. 43, SCATTERED, scattered, scattered. 44, EXHAUSTED, exhausted, exhausted. Now, number 45, SUCCUMBED, succumbed, succumbed. 46, SPIRITED, spirited, spirited. 47, INTENSITY, intensity, intensity. 48, ASSAULT, assault, assault. 49, ESCAPED, escaped, escaped. 50, GWALIOR, Gwalior, Gwalior. 51, CAMPAIGN, campaign, campaign. 52, IMMINENT, imminent, imminent. 53, LAUNCHED, launched, launched. 54, CAVALRY, cavalry, cavalry. 55, VICTORY, victory, victory. Then number 56, PATRIOTISM, patriotism, patriotism. Now, next topic after hard words is meanings. So, new topic on new page. New topic on new page. So, Let's start to write. Number 1, battered, battered. Answer is damaged, damaged. So write in your book this word battered, battered. Battered means damaged, damaged, damaged. Battered, damaged. Then number 2, ILLUMINATION, illumination, illumination. Answer is LIT, light, UP, light up, light up. Battered, damaged, illumination, light up. Now number 3, FALL, 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 BACK, back, fall back. Answer is MOVE, 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 BACK, back, move back. Number 4, UNDYING, 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 undying. Answer is LASTING, lasting, FOREVER, forever, lasting, forever. Undying means lasting forever. Number 5, SPIRITED, spirited, spirited. So the answer is FULL, full, OF, ENERGY, energy, full of energy. Now I am repeating this: battered, damaged, battered, damaged, illumination, illumination, light up, illumination, light up. Then fall back, move back, fall back, move back. Undying, undying, lasting forever, undying, lasting forever. Spirited, spirited means full of energy, full of energy. So my dear students, now I am giving you some time to note down these words, note down these meanings in your fair book. So I hope you all have completed this. Now after meanings, give one word. Give one word. So start to write on a new page. Give one word. So let's see. Number 1, a branch of army that uses large guns. A branch of army that uses large guns. Answer is artillery. 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 A branch of army that uses large guns. Artillery. Number 2, an attack in which an army surrounds a castle or a city. Answer is siege. 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 An attack in which an army surrounds a castle or a city. Siege. Now I am giving you some time to note down this give one word in your fair book. So I hope you all have completed this. Now number 3, breathing loudly with mouth open. Breathing loudly with mouth open. Answer is panting. 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 Number 4, the quality of having strong feelings of of love, love, respect, respect, and duty, duty towards one's country. Country. Answer is patriotism. 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 Now I am repeating this. Number 3. Breathing loudly with mouth open. Breathing loudly with mouth open. Answer is panting. Answer is panting. Now, number 4. The quality of having strong feelings of love, respect, and duty towards one's country. Answer is patriotism. Patriotism. So my dear students, now I am giving you some time to note down this give one word in your fair book. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. We will meet in the next session with the leftover topics of the lesson 12 fair book notes. Regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to ask me. We will meet in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.